Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of dental care with a focus on a product that's been making waves, the Alvocure Dental Dry Socket Paste. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of a dry socket after a dental procedure, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with the basics. Alvocure comes in a convenient jar packaging, containing 12 grams of this magical paste. It's designed specifically for treating dry sockets and as a post-extraction dressing. The paste itself has a fibrous consistency, which not only makes it easy to apply but also ensures it stays in place once applied. What sets Alvocure apart from other products on the market? Well, for starters, it offers a quick and easy one-step treatment. Simply apply it directly to the affected area for immediate relief. The active agents include eugenol, butambin, and iodoform, known for their soothing and therapeutic properties. Users have reported a soothing effect almost immediately upon application, which is crucial for anyone dealing with the discomfort of a dry socket. Alvocure not only provides relief but also helps promote healing by protecting the extraction site. Wondering how to use Alvocure? It's simple. Ensure the extraction site is clean and dry, then take a small amount of paste and gently pack it into the socket using a suitable instrument. Be sure not to disturb any blood clot that may have formed. Once applied, patients can experience comfort and relief right away. Here, you can see the paste being applied to a model of a tooth extraction site. Notice how easy it is to handle and apply. The fibrous consistency helps in evenly distributing the paste, ensuring maximum coverage and effectiveness. While Alvocure shines in many aspects, it's important to note that it may not be suitable for everyone. Some users have mentioned that it's slightly more expensive compared to similar products. But its quality and effectiveness justify the investment, especially when it comes to dental care. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable solution for dry sockets or post-extraction care, Alvocure Dental Dry Socket Paste is definitely worth considering. Its ease of application, soothing effects, and positive customer feedback make it a standout product in the market. That wraps up our review of Alvocure Dental Dry Socket Paste. If you've tried this product yourself or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your product review needs.